3, 2, 1. Hello, hello. West Dorset calling. Weather's cheered up. It's a bit drier. Don't know for how long. It's trying to warm up as well. So we've been a bit busy, me and the wife. So I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you what we've been up to. Now, starting on this side of the patch, there's my pathetic rhubarb. Still trying. I've fed it, I've watered it, I've done all sorts. If it don't do anything this year, it's coming out. I've had enough of it now. So anyway, I've been topping the beds up. This will be for the sweet corn when it comes out in May. Onions and shallots growing away quite nicely, gently. They'll get going now, the weather's starting to cheer up. This bit of the patch is a bit of a nightmare. Got away from me, and with me not being very well, haven't been able to do it, but we're taming it quietly. We're getting all the weeds out, digging them out right down the roots, and then I'll top dress the whole lot. There's some more shallots up through there, and there's a row of parsnips in toilet rolls up through there. They're down 3 feet in good compost, so they should grow well. And potatoes. Did away with the buckets this year, and I'm doing them, as you can see, in a raised bed, and they are coming on leaps and bounds, hopefully for a good crop. This one we have got the experiment with the carrots in egg trays, and next to them is a few celery. There's some pathetic looking salad lettuce up the top there. They'll have to come out. This bed's still got to be finished off. This is last year's leeks, odds and sods in pots. Giant red onions, carrots they're down 2.5 3 foot deep, those carrots. Broad beans are starting to colour up now. They're starting to get some flower on them. So I had to string them up earlier on, and I'll keep them in place, and hopefully we'll get a good crop. Pickling shallots. I know it's a lot of them, but I do like shallots. Only problem is I don't think I'm going to be able to eat them pickled this year. When I've been to see the allergy people, I think pickling is one of the things I can't do. Cleared out this bed as well. Tidied it up. Rummaged some of my homemade compost out. Starting to plant into it a little bit. The raised beds are increasing quietly because I do like them, because it makes my life so much easier, and things are growing on. Let's have a quick look. Don't know what's in here now, can't remember. So again, this is just a homemade hoop house up on a stand, so you can see what it is. It's quite simple, nice and easy, does the job. And brassicas raring to go out. Some flowers starting to come there. Those flowers don't look like they're going to come up in there at all. Add it, I reckon. There we go, that's life. Not worried about it, to be honest. What have we got in here? Oh, beetroot and some more flowers. Zinnias. I do like zinnias, so I'm spoiling these and giving them a little pot each. Right, next one. Sunflowers. Got yellow spots on them. Don't know why. See what they do. Beans, French, borlotti, safari and cobra. I do like cobra. Don't need very many of them, but I've done an extra tray for a friend down the road for this year, and they can put up with the madness. Garlic. Not doing fantastic outside. Never does. Don't know why I bother. Greenhouses. High top. Lovely and warm in here. Beetroot. One of them started to go to seed. A couple of them gone to seed, I think. Not to worry. I'm still having the leaves. We can still eat the leaves. That back in the corner, would you believe, is cauliflowers. There's 3 gigantic ones and 1 little one in the corner which is struggling. The garlic is doing absolutely marvellous in the greenhouse. This is the only way to grow garlic in the UK if you want to get some decent bulbs. I've had a little feel and they are massive. Strawberries desperate to go out. Got to find somewhere to put them. Trouble is they like it in here now. Potatoes in a bucket. I'll do a little separate video on this because it's quite interesting. Right, let's have a look in the other greenhouse a minute. There's Sid. Hello, Sydney. Spring cabbages. We had one the other night. Lovely. Usual problem that I've got because I don't use any sprays or anything. Full of slugs and snails. So there we go. Onion pips. If you remember the onion pips from tail end of last year, these are the onion pips. These are the 10 best that I had, and then one of them's going to seed, but I'm not worried about that because the rest of them are looking absolutely marvellous. So I've just started to give them a little feed. Brassicas, 99 brassicas in one little box. If they all come up, we'll have 99 brassicas of different sorts. Various seedlings. I think that's yeah, that's giant Prague celeriac back there. They're growing well. And the tomatoes, which is another thing I'm not sure I'm allowed to eat with this dietary problem. They're the best ones I've ever grown. They're absolutely massive. They're beautiful. Celeriac up there on the top, and then peas all the way down through in gutters. They'll come on now, lovely. And we've got some melons and courgettes and marrows and uchichi squash. Cucumbers from my mate. Asked me too late really, but there we go. A few starburst, celery, and that's it. So there we go. Quick walk around the greenhouses and the garden. Notice that the weather's getting better. As per usual, I forget every time. Like, share, subscribe. Above all, comment, even if it's you silly old sod, anything. Just help me with these logarithms to see if we can get my channel a little bit more popular. There we go. Keep on gardening.